Man's mind, once stretched by a new idea, never regains its original dimension. And certainly, my mind has stretched to a point that I can never go back to an old way of working. I am up for changing this world and being part of that change.
Anne-Marie Elias, who is as strong as a steam locomotive, let me tell you.
I want to share with you a personal story that has inspired me to be called a chief disruptor. What I did is I created this thing called the collective. The collective is a tool or a method to bring together corporate sector, all levels of government and these small unfunded NGOs. But can we develop a community investment hub in that district that can stay beyond me doing this work?
Believe you me, she's one of the most tenacious people I have ever met in my life.
None of this would have happened without Anne-Marie Elias, and I think that she's always in the background, and her energy and passion is what really has brought us here today. So thank you, Anne-Marie.
And that's what I think has given me the courage to pull everyone together in the concept of this thing called the collective and absolutely, wholeheartedly and passionately disrupt the status quo every single day of my life.